In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use formulas across multiple worksheets. So here we have this worksheet called the Q1, meaning that this is the budget calculator for first quarter of the year, and also we have another one for the second quarter, another one for the third quarter, and the last one for the fourth quarter. What we need to do is to create a summary report showing the total income and total expenses for each item across all the year. So first we will select sheet Q1, right click, and then create a copy. So check this box here, create a copy, and choose move to end in order to create a copy, and we want this copy to be located next to Q4 at the end. So hit the OK button. So we have this duplicate worksheet. First we will rename it. We double click on the sheet tab, and then we will rename it to summary, and then hit the enter key. Then we will change the color, right click on this sheet name, go to tab color and choose no color. Also we will delete these three columns, C, D and E. So drag over the columns header and right click, then choose delete. We'll also delete this picture. Select it and press the delete button on your keyboard. We will delete also this text in cell A2, and we will change the text here from simple budget plan to summary. So let's type in summary. Now we will change the text here in cell A4 from month to year 2020, for example, and let's hit the tab key to move to the next cell, and we'll change this text to total. We will also delete all the input text here, and be careful not to delete this total, since it is including a formula, and also this one and this one. So they all include the formulas, and we're going to use it. So first we need to calculate the total for income 1 across all the year. So we start by typing in the equal sign, then we go and select sheet Q1, and if you look at the formula bar, it will write the name of the selected sheet, which is single quotation mark Q1, another single quotation mark, then an exclamation mark. Then we will choose this cell E6, which is the total for income 1 in the first quarter, and if you look at the formula bar, when we select cell E6, it will type the name of this cell E6 next to the sheet name. So we can read this formula that we are selecting cell E6 that belongs to sheet Q1. Then we type in the plus sign, go and select sheet Q2. So again, in the formula bar, it will type the name of sheet Q2, and then we select also E6, then repeat again plus sign, select sheet Q3. We have the name of Q3 in the formula bar, then we select E6, then type in the plus sign, select Q4, and then select E6. So now the formula is completed. We just hit the enter key, and we have the total for income 1 across all the year. So let's use the autofill handle here to repeat for income 2, and we can copy this formula and paste it here next to housing in order to calculate the total for the housing. And if you look at the formula bar, you can see that the cells will auto adjust. So for example, in income 1 we have cell E6. When we have used the autofill in income 2, the cell will change automatically to E7, and for the housing it will change automatically to E10. So let's complete for all the expenses using the autofill handle. We drag to row number 19. So this is sort of the manual way of adding numbers across a worksheet, since we have did it one by one for each cell. We can do it in another faster way. So let's delete these cells again, select cell B6. Now we will use the sum function. So we start by typing in the equal sign, then the sum function, and then we open the parenthesis. We select sheet Q1, and then we move the mouse pointer to sheet Q4 and we shift click. So you can see in the formula bar here we have a Q1 column Q4. That means we are selecting all the 4 worksheets. So when we do this, we go and select cell E6, and then we close the parenthesis and hit the enter key. So that will sum all E6 cells across all the worksheets. So this is a faster and a better way to do this. Now we use the autofill handle and repeat the formula. We can copy and paste this formula here for the housing expenses, and also use the autofill handle to repeat for all other expenses. So now I think this is a better and faster and easier way to do summation across all worksheets.